Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shawbrook Bank Review My Usage Experience. Shawbrook Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for users to share and access reviews of their experiences with Shawbrook Bank. It's primarily aimed at potential and existing Shawbrook Bank customers who want to gather insights before opening an account or to assess the bank's services. Key features likely include user-submitted reviews, ratings, and possibly filtering options based on specific banking products. Their website provides details on how to contribute your own review. Shawbrook Bank, judging by their website, positions itself as a provider of various financial products. They emphasize clear pricing and straightforward terms, suggesting transparency. Ease of use on their end is difficult to ascertain without using the review platform directly. However, the ease of posting a review on the platform itself determines usability to some extent. Availability is, of course, dependent on the existence of the review platform. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shawbrook Bank Review My Usage Experience. I wanted to check out Shawbrook Bank before applying for a business loan, so I sought out online reviews. I found the review platform itself fairly easy to navigate. The site design was clean and intuitive. I was able to filter reviews by product type, which was helpful. The reviews themselves seemed generally honest and detailed, providing valuable insights into customer experiences with different Shawbrook Bank services, from personal accounts to mortgages. I particularly appreciated the star rating system as well as the ability to read detailed reviews from verified customers. One minor drawback was that the search function wasn't particularly robust. I found it a little difficult to locate reviews mentioning specific aspects of their loan processing. I did not interact with customer support for the review site itself, as the site provided all I needed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the review platform. It helped me make an informed decision regarding my loan application. It wasn't perfect, but it gave me a clear picture of what other Shawbrook Bank customers experienced. That's my overview of Shawbrook Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.